Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Citizens Bank mobile banking application from your mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Download the Citizens Bank mobile banking application on your mobile device, and once you are done, tap it open. The first interface of Citizens Bank will look like this. If you want to get online access to your Citizens Bank account right from your mobile device, then you'll first need to sign up for an online account. If you don't have an account yet, tap on the sign up button at the bottom of the screen and follow through the registration process. Once you have an account, you can easily enter your details in the login area and get access to your account. Start off by typing in your username in the first text box. Once you do that, head over to the password field and type in the password that you created while signing up for your online banking account. If you don't remember your username or your password, you can tap on the link that says "Forgot username/password" at the bottom of the page. Follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for your username or your password, and once you have the access to them, you can type it in and tap sign in. Soon after you do that, you'll be logged into your Citizens Bank online banking application from your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.